See now, bete, we are going to do a question. It is 5x square is equals to 12y. X square is equals to minus 12 upon 5y. We can compare it with x square equals to minus 4ay. When we are comparing it with this, so what I am finding, x square is equals to minus 4 into 3 upon 5y. That is, a is equals to 3 upon 5. Now whatever they want to ask us, like focus, then the coordinates of focus are in this parabola will be 0 minus a, means minus 3 upon 5. This is the coordinate of the focus. This parabola, it will be having shape somewhat like this. So focus will be somewhere here. So on y-axis and on the negative side of the y-axis. So it is 0 minus 3 upon 5 will be the focus. After focus, they may ask us find the equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is y equals to a. A is 3 upon 5. Now this is on the positive side because this point is origin. So its coordinates will be 0, 3 upon 5. So it implies y minus 3 upon 5 equals to 0. 5y minus 3 equals to 0 is the equation of directrix. Next is length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 4a. So it implies 4 into the value of a is 3 upon 5. So it comes 12 upon 5. Length of latus rectum is 12 upon 5. So like this way we could do the questions of parabola. So I suppose this we are able to understand. Now we are going for the next thing that is said as ellipse. Keep in mind ellipse, hope we remember from class 9th onwards we have started studying in the gravitation. We have studied about ellipse. It is the planets are revolving around the sun in the elliptical orbit. So from there first time we heard about the ellipse. So that ellipse we are going to study. So this shape is said as ellipse. Now keep in mind this is major axis, this one is minor axis, focus. It will be having two focus, f1 and f2. I had given names to them. Now see the coordinates of different points, like the vertex. It will be having coordinate a, 0. It will be having coordinate minus a, 0. This will be 0, b, 0, minus b, c, 0, minus c, 0. So we have got idea about vertex, focus, vertex on the major axis, minor axis. Now what all they may ask us in this. First of all, let me tell you the condition for making the ellipse, how to make the ellipse. G. So we are thinking what exactly is ellipse. See, from one focus to another focus via ellipse. From one focus to another focus via ellipse we are going. In that case, the distance traveled will be same. If we are going from one focus to another focus via ellipse, then the distance traveled will be same. So the locus of the points whose sum of the distances from two foci, whose sum of the distance from two foci remains same is ellipse. So this is the ellipse. Now for this ellipse, first of all, we are thinking about the equation of ellipse. Its equation will be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 is the equation of ellipse. This is the equation of ellipse. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. X square upon the distance of one of the vertex on the major axis ka square plus y square upon distance of vertex on the minor axis from the center to square equals to 1. So x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Now we are able to see there are three things, a, b and c. A is the distance of the vertex on the major axis from the center. B is the distance of minor axis from the center, and C is the distance of focus from the center. So these A, B, C, they will be having a relation. This relation is said as A square equals to B square plus C square. Relation between A, B, C is A square equals to B square plus C square. Then a term comes. This is a very good thing. Length of major axis. We are thinking about length of major axis. So the length of major axis is 2a. This side a and this side a. So a plus a will be 2a. So the length of major axis will be equals to 2a. Same way as length of minor axis. Length of minor axis will be equals to 2b. Length of major axis is 2a. Length of minor axis equals to 2b. Hope this all is clear. So we have got idea about equation of ellipse. We have got idea about relationship between a, b and c, that is a square equals to b square plus c square. Length of major axis we have got idea. We have also got the idea about length of minor axis. Length of major axis is 2a. Length of minor axis is 2b. center of ellipse is origin. For this center of ellipse, so center of ellipse is origin, that is 0, 0. So every time one thing I am increasing. Now next thing is two more small things. One is E, that is eccentricity. Eccentricity of ellipse. First of all, we must be knowing the definition for eccentricity. So to make the definition, eccentricity can be defined as the ratio of the distance of focus from the center to the distance of one of the vertex on the major axis from the center. Means distance of focus is C, distance of vertex on the major axis is A. So it is coming C upon A. It is coming C upon A. So eccentricity for the ellipse is C upon A. Eccentricity of the ellipse is C upon A. We also know C is smaller than A. C is lesser than A. We can see again in the diagram. C is this C and A is distance of vertex on the major axis. So C is smaller than A. C is smaller than A. Therefore, E will be less than 1. Eccentricity for the ellipse will be less than 1. This is a key point. Now, after this, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. This is 2b square upon A. Length of latus rectum in the ellipse is 2b square upon A. So these many things they are going to ask us. Let me show you once again what can be asked in the ellipse. They may ask line wise, I am saying, and you must see everything I have taught or not. Center, that is 0, 0. Major axis for this is x-axis and the length of major axis is 2a. Minor axis is y-axis and length of minor axis is 2b. Focus coordinates. Focus coordinates. Let me write these things on the next slide. Focus is having coordinates plus minus C0. Focus is having coordinates plus minus C0. C, this is one of the focus coordinate. This is other one focus coordinate I am writing at one place. So hope you have got focus coordinates. Then vertex. Vertex are on major axis and minor axis. We are writing for major axis. So major axis will be plus minus A0. It will be plus minus A0. Vertex on the minor axis will be 0 plus minus B. 0 plus minus B. Then it comes to eccentricity. Eccentricity of ellipse is C upon A. Eccentricity, whatever, means right now we are talking about ellipse, but whatever we are studying, eccentricity always will be C upon A. Length of latus rectum, always whatever will be the figure, means right now it is ellipse. If its shape will change, then also it will be 2b square upon A. So length of latus rectum will be 2b square upon A and eccentricity will always be C upon A. Now let us see in a question. We are trying to understand the topic in a question. See, we have been given 4x square plus 9y square equals to 36. We are going to think what kind of ellipse is it? So we are dividing both the sides with 36. I am dividing both the sides with 36. So divide by 36, divide by 36, divide by 36. it will become x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equals to 1. That could be written as x square upon 3 square plus y square upon 2 square equals to 1. Always keep in mind a will be greater than b. Now it comes to us finding the different things. Like first thing will be center. Center will be 0, 0. Center will be at origin. After center, length of measure axis. Length of measure axis will be 2a and a is 3. So it is 6 units. Length of minor axis, it is 2b. B is 2. That will be 4. So length of major axis, length of minor axis we have got. Now we need to find focus. For focus, it is C0 plus minus C0. So C right now we are not knowing. So let us calculate C. We know that A square equals to B square plus C square. A we are knowing 3. B is 2 equals to, sorry, plus C square. It is plus. Let me write clearly. Plus C square. So 9 minus 4, C is equals to plus minus under root 5. So coordinates of focus will be plus minus C, that is root 5, 0. These are the coordinates of the focus. Now coordinates of the vertex. So vertex coordinates are on x-axis, it will be plus minus a0. Major axis, that is 3, 0. For minor axis, it will be 0 plus minus b, that is 2. Then it comes to eccentricity. Eccentricity is C upon A. Let us think what is the value of C. The value of C is under root 5 upon the value of A is 3. So it is C upon A, that is C is under root 5 upon A is 3. So eccentricity for this case is under root 5 upon 3. Last thing is length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 2b square upon a. Now the value of b is 2 and a is 3. So it will be 8 by 3. So the length of latus rectum for this will be 8 by 3. Eccentricity is under root 5 upon 3. Also, we have calculated vertex, major axis, minor axis, focus coordinates, the value of C, length of major axis, length of minor axis, center. So these many things they may ask. Maximum number of things which could be asked in this particular question are these. Less than this they may ask, but the maximum things are these. So now next we are taking so now one more thing we are taking See, find the equation of ellipse. Find the equation of ellipse. In this case, eccentricity is 3 upon 4. The eccentricity for this ellipse is 3 upon 4, and it is passing through the point. Let me make one more ellipse first of all, then it will be better to understand. See, ellipse could be on y-axis also. We have done for the x-axis. For y-axis also it could be, it is a, it is b. Now the equation of this ellipse will be y square upon a square plus x square upon b square equals to 1. This ellipse is, its measure axis is y-axis, so it is about the y-axis. Its focus will be lying on the y-axis, so focus coordinates will be 0 plus minus c. Focus coordinates will be 0 plus minus c. Vertex will be having coordinates 0 plus minus a. Hope you remember when we were talking about x-axis as measure axis, at that time the vertex was on x-axis, so that was plus minus a 0. Now vertex minor axis 1 plus minus b 0. Try to see, focus is 0 plus minus c, vertex on the major axis 0 plus minus a, vertex on the minor axis is plus minus b 0. Now length of major axis is 2a, length of minor axis 2b, it is same. See, length of major axis, length of minor axis is same. Eccentricity will be also same, c upon a. Length of latus rectum will be same, 2b square upon a. Relationship between a, b and c will be also same, that is a square equals to b square plus c square. So I suppose we are getting all the things. Only major difference is in the equation, focus, vertex on the major axis, vertex on the minor axis. Other things are same, whatever were in the case of major axis as x-axis and major axis and y as y-axis. Both the cases are giving us the same things. Only the case is when we are thinking about major axis and minor axis, there will be a condition different, that is these are the. So now we are taking one more example. This will help us to understand the topic little more better. So I was taking the question, eccentricity E is equals to 2 by 3. Length of latus rectum is 5. Axis is x-axis, major axis is x-axis. So eccentricity is c upon a, that is c can be written as 2k, ratio constant I am writing k. A can be written as 3k. We have got idea about c and a. Now see, latus rectum. What is the condition for latus rectum? It is 2b square upon a equals to 5. It is given to us. Now with these two things we need to make the best condition. So first of all, I'm applying the relation between a, b and c. So relation between a, b and c is a square equals to b square plus c square. A is 3k to whole square equals to b square plus 2k to whole square. So this comes 9k square minus 4k square equals to b square. B square equals to 5k square. B equals to under root 5k. Now let us put these all the values and we will be able to calculate the value of k. To b square. B square is 5k square upon a, and the value of a is 3k equals to 5k to 1 power will get cancelled. So we have got k is equals to 3 into 5 upon 5 into 2. So k is coming 3 by 2. Now everything is clear. See, what will be the value of a? It is 3k. So 3 into 3 by 2. That is 9 by 2. B, that is under root 5 into k, and k is 3 by 2. So 3 root 5 upon 2. Now when we need to calculate the equation of the ellipse, equation of the ellipse is a and b. I am writing because we need to go on the next sheet. A is equals to 9 by 2 and b is equals to 3 root 5 by 2. So equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. We are going to put the values in it. So it will be x square upon a. A is 9 by 2 to whole square plus y square upon b, and the value of b is 3 root 5 upon 2 to whole square equals to 1. So it will be x square, 2 square will be 4, which is going up, upon 9 square is 81 plus 4 y square upon 45 equals to 1 is the required equation of ellipse, which is having some of the things were given like eccentricity and length of lattice rectum. If eccentricity and length of lattice rectum are given to us, in that case we could calculate the equation of the ellipse. Normally when other things are given, they used to say us to calculate the equation of ellipse or equation of whatever curve we need to calculate, so that they may ask us. So this is the topic which we are supposed to do for such conditions. So I suppose now you are able to think on some of the questions based on ellipse. One small question more I am taking, then we will stop the class. This only introductory part I'll do. See, find the equation of ellipse, find the equation of ellipse with center at origin. Center at origin, and major axis is x-axis passing through the point. Ellipse is passing through the point 4, 3 and 6, 2. Try to see major axis is x-axis and ellipse is passing through these 2 points. One is 4, 3, other is 6, 2. So when we are thinking about this situation, try to think equation of such ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Now xy, once we will put this, we will be getting two equations. That is 4 square upon a square plus 3 square upon b square equals to 1. It implies 16 upon a square plus 9 upon b square equals to 1 is the first equation. Next time I am putting 6 square upon a square plus 2 square upon b square equals to 1 is equals to 36 upon a square 4 upon b square equals to 1. Now these are the two equations. We need to solve these two equations to get the values of a and b. After getting the values of a and b, these a and b, after solving a and b, we'll put them into this and we will be getting the final equation of the ellipse. With this, we will be getting the equation of the ellipse. First of all, these points were given. After putting these points into the equation, we will be able to get two equations of a and b. Solving them, we will be getting the values of a and b. We will put them into the equation. The final equation will be with us. Required equation will be with us. So this was the question. I suppose each one of you will be able to do this question. Now, ellipse, you have to try NCERT questions. In the coming class, we'll be solving more questions about it. So till the time, keep practicing, keep revising. Good luck. Thank you. Bye bye. You can leave the class.